Hello everyone, this is Arif from Communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Blackberry Apps World to your Blackberry Curve 8520. For example, in this phone, we don't have Blackberry Apps World, so we can't download any application from nowhere. For this, you need to go inside to your browser. For example, my browser opening some page from Movistar, and I have one searching option here from Google, this one. If you don't have, hit this menu of the Blackberry. When you are at the browser, you have to find this option. It's called go to. Hit this one, type the name of any web address. For example, type here Google GOOGLE dot, you can't type dot, type alt dot com, hit enter on the menu button, and at the Google just type Blackberry Apps World or Apps World, APPSWORLD. After that, hit here search, and it's searching now. This is a Google search. Here few pages appeared. You should see this one, download apps for Blackberry, something as this. You will have so many options. Blackberry Apps World, here is one more option. I will click this one, download apps for Blackberry, and it will take me to the page of Blackberry, www.blackberry.com, or normally you can type www. At the page address you can type www.blackberry.com/appsworld, as you get the latest version of Blackberry World, is also called Blackberry World. Hit this one. Okay, at the bottom you will see the download now option. Hit this one, select download language. I will leave this as English. Hit next. Okay, one more time, and after that hit download. Now it's downloading Blackberry Apps World for me. I have to reboot this one. It's almost done. Okay, it's time for check. I click menu button, and as you see at the middle I have Blackberry World. Click this one. I have to agree the term and condition. Click agree. And for using this I need a Blackberry ID. You also need a Blackberry ID. Just do the Blackberry ID. After that you can use this one. You will not have any problem whatsoever. Okay, and I get some upgrade from here is downloading the update. Okay, one more update, installing the update. Okay, I have to restart the phone now. Here is a button, restart now. Hit for restart, verifying some software. Now I hit one more time the menu, and here is Blackberry Apps World. Hit this one. It's loading now. You have all sort of game and application here. Download as you want, but most important thing, you need to have a Blackberry ID for this one. Okay, this is all my friend. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the IRS Communication, www.irscommunication.com. Have a nice evening. Ciao.